Thank you for joining me again. Welcome back to my channel, my favorite hair care products. So let's hop right into it. So the next product after I co-wash or shampoo and deep condition my hair, this is my leave-in conditioner. It is also by As I Am, and it's a leave-in. I love this product. Again, it's free of same thing as the co-wash. It's free of all of those, things that are not good for us naturals. But I love this. And when I tell you that I technically,
oh my
with
God,
my grade of hair, I can put this on and just walk away.
What?
And my hair looks like it's been moisturized for days. So I can use this leave-in conditioner and be done with my wash day. But for the sake of, depending on what style I'm going for, I will do the water, and then I'll put in a leave-in and an oil, and then a cream. So yeah, love this stuff. Staple. Another deep conditioner that I tried is the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey and Mafura Oil Intensive Hydration Hair Mask. I'm not a huge fan of it. It was okay. I just didn't feel like I got a lot out of this product. I don't know. It really just didn't do anything for me. It didn't do anything for me. I did use a lot, but it's been a long time since I've used this. And this is the consistency. It's really, really thick. It smells okay. It's like a peony scent. Smells kind of like a flower. I do like flowery scent, so it has a nice fragrance. It's not potent, but yeah, it's really, really thick. But like I said, it didn't really do anything for me. I didn't notice anything spectacular, so yeah, I don't think I'm gonna purchase this anymore. Another, Shea Moisture product. It's not a deep conditioner, but it is Shea Moisture Red Palm Oil and Cocoa Butter Curl Stretch Pudding. One of the YouTubers that I follow used this product to stretch her hair, and so I went out and got it, and it doesn't really have much of a smell. It's a very, very light, creamy smell. Creamy as in like a cream, like how Cool Whip would smell, or whipped cream, but it's very, very light. It is very thick. Very, very thick. Almost like the mask that I just showed you. I am not a huge fan of this. Mainly because it looked like it dried my hair out. It did stretch it, but my hair looked really, really dry. And even though it was a stretched hairstyle, it really made my hair look dry. So I'm not a huge fan of Shea Moisture products. I'm not feeling it, but oh well. You guys, it's time for my staple, my favorite staple, my ultimate staple. Belle Nouveau Cocoa Castor Styling. When I say this gives me life, I mean, look at my hair. I did my hair 2 days ago. It's still shiny. It's still curly. This right here, and of course, some of you already know, they don't sell them in stores. I don't think he'll ever put these products in stores. Belle Nouveau. I have been using this pretty much since the company started. If I could marry this, I would be Mrs. Cocoa Castor Styling Pudding. So, a moisturizing cream formulated with coconut oil, castor oil, and mango butter to style curly and coily hair. And of course, it's cruelty-free. No artificials, no mineral oil, no petroleum, paraben, sulfate, soy, GMOs, because you deserve better. So, this is an 8-ounce jar. Order online. They keep going up on the prices, but I'm telling you right now, it's worth it. I think I paid all total $23, but that was including shipping and tax. So I think it was maybe, I'm gonna say $14, I believe. Not sure, but you have to. I hate when hair is in products. I loathe that. But look, this is the product on the inside. If you can see, it's like a whipped cream. It's not gonna come out like that, but it is soft and it's a whipped cream, and I love this. Love. And I've tried other products from the company too as well, but this one right here, the styling pudding, and you guys, the smell. If you're a huge coconut lover, you love the smell of coconut. I still smell it in my hair. I did my hair 2 days ago. I still smell it. I love the stuff. The stuff is like my hair crack. It's my hair crack. I love it. So yes, it is worth the money, and I will purchase this every time. You're on the go, and you need that extra edge taming control. I was introduced to, is it Even New York Natural 24-hour edge tamer. Absolutely love this stuff. One of my friends actually turned me on to this. Thank you, Deja. She turned me on to this because I just loved her edges, and I was like, oh, I want edges like you. So she turned me on to this, and it's just a little jar. I think I bought this for $7 from my local beauty supply store. I'm almost out. Of it, but it's just a, I don't know if you can see that. It's sorry, it's a gel consistency. Kind of don't want to waste it. It's like this. Yeah, so I use that on my edges, but like I said, since I've been home due to COVID, I haven't been doing anything to my hair or my edges. Well, that's not true. Because my next product I'm going to show you is something that I also stumbled upon that I have been putting on my edges. And that is the OK Pure Naturals Extra Dark 100% Natural Black Jamaican Castor Oil with Coconut Oil. There's my coconut oil. Love this stuff. Absolutely love it. In fact, I just bought this, I want to say 2 weeks ago, and it's right here. I don't usually oil my entire head with it, but it's like, I know you can't see, but it's a brown, it's castor oil. And I rub this on my edges every 2 to 3, I want to say every 2 to 3 days. In the evening, I'll put a little warm water on my edges and then rub some of this in here. It's also, you guys forgive my eyes, I have 20/20 vision, but sheesh. It has moisture. Oh wow, you guys. Okay. No GMOs, and it also has vitamin E, which is very, very good for us. We need vitamin E. So I love natural hair oil, and I also got this from the vitamin shop. I only paid $6 for this. $6 for black Jamaican castor oil, and I heard that the extra dark is actually better for you. So I've been putting it on my edges, I'm gonna say for 2 weeks now, every 2 to 3 days. So I'll let you guys know how it's going. I'll let you know how it's doing. So another oil that I recently discovered, I know I told you guys about the Pure Zero line that I got from Whole Foods. I found a Pure Zero coconut milk moisturizing serum, and it's clear. I just found this a couple of weeks ago. Again, it has the zero sulfates, parabens, dyes, phosphates, phthalates, gluten. Forgive me if I'm saying that wrong. And just twist it, and it comes out like this. So it's like that. And it's really nice. I love it. It gives my hair shine. I didn't use it for this particular style, but I did use it for another style that I did, a wash and go. And when I tell you that it made my hair shine, so yeah, this moisturizing serum, love it. I actually love the Pure Zero line, so that will definitely be one of my staple product lines, because so far from their entire line, I love everything. I love everything, all the smells. So. Last oil, the Wild Growth Hair Oil, and my girlfriend turned me on to this. Unfortunately, the beauty supply stores, they're closed, so I can't go get any more oil, and I'm really upset about it. Yeah, I'm a little upset. The white and green bottle, I like that. This is the one that I normally just use on the outside of my hair. So when I just want to add some shine to my hair, or for protection, like when I do a leave water, leave-in, this is the oil that I use, and then I put my cream over that. So that's what I usually use for my wash and go. So I love this oil. I've been using this, I want to say, for 3 months. Like I said, I need to get the green and white bottle, because that's the one I usually oil my scalp with. And this is, so that one goes on the scalp, massage your scalp. This one goes on your hair, but I've been massaging my scalp with this, don't tell them. But I do love that product. So those are the products that I use on my hair. If you enjoyed my content, the review on these products, give me a shout out. Let me know if there's any content that you'd love to see from me. And as always, be safe out there. Wash your hands. Wash your hands. Wash your hands. Wash your hands. Okay, guys, I love you guys, and take care. Be safe out there. Love you. Mwah.